What's up? I'm doing another makeup tutorial for you guys, and this one is just really dark and silvery and crazy, and I don't know, I felt the vibes, I felt the silver. I wanted to do something messy and smoky for you guys. I basically really just wanted to use this blush from LA Girl. This is the Just Blushing blush in Just Because, and it's like a taupey gray color. Super into it, and I really wanted to use it in this look, as well as the new furless brushes that the collaboration with Jordy. I wanted to use that as well. So you're gonna be seeing that in the video. So this isn't super wearable, but it's really, really beautiful. I hope you guys really like it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified of all my future videos. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I'm so incredibly excited, so excited today, because I'm going to be using the It's Likely Makeup collab with Furless brushes. They just came in yesterday. If you're following me on Instagram, you guys know. You guys saw pictures. It's a brush belt, and it has a bunch of brushes. If you guys don't watch Jordy, you guys need to go watch her. I'll link her channel below. I love her makeup. She always does such a good job, and I'm super excited to try her collection of brushes that she came out with. And so I'm just, oh, they feel so soft and they seem so nice. The packaging, everything was so beautiful and so nice. So I'm super excited. Today we're gonna be using these brushes. Let's create something beautiful, shall we? So as much as I want this tutorial to be like a chatty, talk with you tutorial, we have a lot of people in the house, so it's not gonna be quiet. So we're just gonna do some music, some voiceover. Let's just do. Okay, so I'm starting out with my eyebrows like I usually do, just shaping them and making them look nice. And then I am going to spray my face because my face is super dry. So I'm using this Mario Badescu spray, and then I'm getting into the Naked Smokey Palette, and I'm getting into this brown color. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and in the inner corner, kind of sloppy. This whole look is gonna look sloppy until the very end. And this is basically where I'm gonna put the black. So I'm just using the brown first and really blending it out. Then I'm going to get into the black in the palette, and I'm going to start slowly putting it in the outer corner as well as in the inner corner and into the crease. And I'm going to try to blend as best as possible. I know it looks crazy. Don't worry about it. It's going to look nice at the very end. I am taking it all the way into the inner corner and starting to create that shape. And then I'm going to blend it out with that brown again, just the very edges of it, and kind of warm up the edges. Then I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to start to create my halo. I'm going to just basically go in the very center, create a little line, and just blend it out. You guys know how to do this. You guys have seen it a million times. But I love this brush because it's super precise and I can make a really nice line. Then I'm taking this is like a taupey gray, and I'm putting that in the very inner corners of where I put that concealer, because in the outer edges where the black, well, it kind of fades into the black, I'm going to use this silver, and I just really like it. I think it adds some dimension, and it makes it look pretty cool, especially when you're looking close up to the eye. And then I'm just going to basically clean up any fallout and clean up the edges, and I'm going to start with a primer. So this is the Farsali primer, or the Unicorn Essence, and I'm going to put it all over the face and blend it in. Then I'm using the Wetnwild Hello Halo. I'm still trying to use this somehow. And basically I'm putting it all over the places I would highlight right before I put on any foundation, and it's gonna really add some glow. I like using it this way, I think. So I'm going in with the Peach Perfect foundation, and I'm blending it out with this brush. Honestly, I think this brush is better for bronzer and blush and stuff like that. I didn't really like it with the foundation, but I tried it anyways. Then I'm just going to conceal underneath the eyes and lighten it up and blend it out. This is my favorite combo right now, the Flower Beauty mixed with the Shape Tape. So beautiful. Then I'm just gonna set that with the Fit Me loose powder right underneath the eyes. I find that it just leaves it really, really smooth under there. It's probably my favorite powder for underneath the eyes. Then I've been loving these skin enhancers from LA Colors, and I'm using Sun Goddess to kind of bronze / contour my face really lightly. And then I'm going back in with the Physicians Formula to just intensify that and set it down. Although it doesn't really need to be set, but I still like this combo. Then I'm using this blush, and it's kind of like a taupey grayish blush, so you have to be really careful. I kind of just like started to pack it on, and then I realized I should have added it slowly so it didn't look patchy. But you just add a little bit of like a pinky blush just to give it like a gray pink look. I'll probably do that later, and I will contour with it later. But then I'm going in with this highlight, which is absolutely gorgeous, Wisp from ColourPop. And I'm just putting it everywhere that I put that Wet n Wild one. And then I didn't go back into any color. I just used whatever was left on the brush, and I put it on the lower lash line. And then I used the lightest shade in the palette and put it right underneath the brow. And then I'm popping on some pure lashes. As you can see, while that glue is drying, I'm kind of contouring with that blush. Then I'm putting on some blue eyeliner. This one's from Milani, and I love it. It's so gorgeous. And then I am going to use that same highlight for the inner corners to give me more of a pop. I decided to put the eyeliner in the lower lashes and smudge that out. I thought that looked really, really gorgeous as well. So for the lips, I use the Catrice Chubby Lip Pencil, and I smudged it out, and then I went in with this CoverGirl melting pout just in the lower lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a big like if you did, and I guess I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye.